What's up? It's your boy, amateur pro home chef Nathaniel Levinson with a special episode. It's late night kitchen chemist. Ignore the sunlight coming in from the windows. That's our boy Greg, he photoshops that in for ambiance. But it's late night, so we're gonna do some snacks, right? You get up in the middle of the night, you're hungry. What should I do? Well, how about a really easy 3-ingredient snack, super easy to put together, super delicious. It's date night. So we're gonna be making dates stuffed with blue cheese, wrapped in bacon. So to make this, obviously, you will need dates. You can pick these up from Trader Joe's. They're pretty big, they're very sweet. I mean, honestly, you can eat them, they're like candy, very sticky, stick to your teeth. Obviously, you need bacon. We've talked about bacon, so just pick whatever kind you like. I prefer it thick, you know that. And then you also need some blue cheese. Now, blue cheese is a fun thing. Blue cheese is a soft cheese that's been injected with a specific type of mold that grows. There's greens and blues and all sorts of things, but in general, they have a kind of sour, funky flavor. Some people don't like, but I like it. It's super creamy. It's very intense. Kind of sour funk to it, in a good way. Roquefort, Gorgonzola, whatever you can find will do perfectly for this. But you'll notice it's soft, it's crumbly, very crumbly texture. That's what you're looking for. So, all we gotta do, slice our dates open, stuff some blue cheese inside, wrap that bad boy in bacon and throw it in the oven. So I've cut my bacon in half because the strips are a little too long for a single date. Basically, we're gonna take a date, you're gonna kinda cut it in the middle, just so it'll open up. Kinda get your fingers in there, open it up, remove the pit. You don't want this. You can get them pitless, but obviously be aware if you got one that has a pit in it. Throw that away. Okay, gonna open it up, remove the pit, take some blue cheese, stuff that inside, close it back up. It's okay if there's blue cheese on the outside. Take a piece of bacon, wrap around that bad boy, and hold it in place with the toothpick. That's it. Throw it on a sheet with some parchment paper for easy cleanup, and just do that with the rest of your dates. So they'll go in a 375 degree oven for 40 minutes or until the bacon is rendered and crispy. And about halfway through, you're gonna wanna flip them over. All right, our dates have come out of the oven, and now all that's left to do is to partake. Remember to, please remember to remove the toothpick before you eat it. It is definitely a lot to chew on, but it is absolutely delicious. The dates are like candy. They're so sweet and creamy. The bacon is crunchy and salty, and the blue cheese adds just that little bit of extra pop with that funk. And I would even put a little bit more, crumble a little bit more blue cheese on these right before serving, and that would be delicious. But until next time, I'm your boy, amateur pro home chef Nathaniel Levinson. If you do date night right. Those almost all just went whoop. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, let us know what you'd like to see on the channel. If you want to get in touch with us, we've got a Twitter at KitchenChemYT. We've got an email, therealkitchenchemist@gmail.com. We've also got an Instagram at KitchenChemistYT. So please, we'd love to hear from you guys. Let us know what you'd like to see next.